What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another edition of Currency Counts, where I cover all things how to build credit and save money. In today's video, I'm going to show you another fintech credit card that you can get with little to no credit, and you're almost certainly going to get qualified for. And all you need is an active banking account. And the name of that card is called Grain. Now you can go to trygrain.com. I will leave a link in the description for the card, but let me tell you a little bit about it. Now, trygrain.com doesn't go off of your credit report, doesn't go off of your credit score. All you need is an active banking account. All you have to do to qualify is link that bank account to your Grain account, and they'll give you a credit limit of up to $1,000. Now, there is a higher than normal APR on this card, which is 12%. For anybody with bad credit, that's a relatively lower APR than something you would get if you had a bad credit card. For example, you'd have annual fees, you'd have a 29% to 35% APR, multiple late fees. The main drawback I would say of this card is you need to pay the balance off every month. Whatever balance it is, let's say you have a $100 balance, you don't pay the minimum payment because there is no minimum payment. You have to pay the full balance off every month. And you have the option of choosing weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly auto debits from your bank account. That's why you need to link your bank account, and they're going off the money and the transactions you make from your bank account. So why would you want this card if you have to pay the balance in full every month? Think of it like this. This card would be a stepping stone to restarting your credit. Whether you have little to no credit or bad credit, you're gonna notice after a few months, what's gonna start happening is you're making your payments on time. You see that credit score start to go up. Now with your credit score higher, you're gonna qualify for traditional credit cards. Something with a higher limit, something that you don't have to pay the balance off every month, but you have to start somewhere. Because if you have bad credit and you go try to take out a credit card, they're gonna run a hard pull. And bad credit, more than likely, you're not gonna get approved. So what is that gonna do? That's gonna put a hard inquiry onto your credit report, which is gonna lower your score even more. This card doesn't make a hard pull. They don't check your credit. They are gonna need your social security number to report your credit to the 3 major credit bureaus, and also to verify your identity. But that's about it. They're not gonna run your credit. Even if you get denied, they're not gonna run a hard pull. So your credit score won't go down applying for this card. So this card here, you can't apply for online. You have to download the app, and then you can apply for the card off of the app. So you're gonna wanna make sure that you have online banking through whoever you bank. If not, it's gonna prolong the process of your application. So make sure you have online banking set up before you apply for this card, because they are going to require your online banking information, your username and password, and that is to set up the auto debits. So this is a pretty decent card to rebuild your credit, but I have another review on a fintech credit card that rivals this one. So be sure and check that one out. Thanks for watching. Check you on the next one.